In this lecture, we are going to learn a method to loop our animation over the period of the composition without having to create a video and being completely in After Effects. It's pretty easy, by the way. Let's go to Walk on the Park and duplicate this one by pressing Ctrl D. So we have Walk on the Park 2. We double click to open it. Let's close the other one so we're not confused. And we are going to delete the banana.mov. Let's take our banana composition and drop it inside our new comp. Cool. Now we have only 1 second of the composition and it's working very fine. How to make it loop for all our animation? This is pretty easy. You already learned that. You right click, go to time and go to enable time remapping. When you enable time remapping, then you have the two keyframes. One is at 0. That's okay. And the next one is at 101. That is the length of the composition plus 1 frame. You don't want that. You want it to be at 1 second. Cool. So we change it to 1 second. Now also you can stretch your layer till the end of the composition anywhere you want, as long as you want it running. If you play now, you notice it will play and stop there. How to make it loop? Well, it's very easy also. We are going to use an expression. It's a very easy expression. Just typing it and it will work. To be able to write an expression, you come to the stopwatch, you press Alt and you click. Now you have space to write your expressions. Of course, we'll explain later about expressions. And the expression that we are going to use here is called loop out. Notice how it is spelled. The loop is small case, the O is uppercase, and the out, of course, or the UT is lowercase with the brackets at the end or the parentheses. Fine. Now, what does loop out do? It will loop out the keyframes, meaning when you come to the end or the last keyframe, it will start from the first keyframe. So notice what's happening. And here you are, it's looping out. So it starts from the first keyframe, second keyframe, and immediately it start again the first keyframe, and so on and so forth, as long as the layer is inside the composition. Here you are. It is now looping out. Now, this is very good and very practical. You are within After Effects, and of course, you can animate your composition here. You can scale it down if you like. And then take it outside. We create an animation with it. Let's put it over here. Open the position. We press P for position. You keyframe the position. Go to the end or whatever you want. You click on it and you drag it to the outside. And here you are. You created a loop animation that is repeating itself using time remap and loop out. Just to show you, this is the last one. You have time remap and you have the position, and inside time remap here you have written an expression that is loop out, and that's it. You don't need to have parameters for loop out. Just take it that loop out will loop from the first keyframe to the last keyframe again and again and again. I'll see you in the next lecture with some more animations.